Hey, look, river. Yeah, baby, we out here in the mountains. Yeah, out here on the open roads. Been a while, man. Feels good. Feels good to be in the bug out moto van. Going to check out property I'm under contract with on a bunch of acres with a really nice house, 2010 house. I can't wait to see it. I hope it looks good as it does on Zillow. Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today. Hey guys, you see I got my gear here, and I got some awesome gear. If you want to get my gear, like my airbag vest to help keep me safe out on the streets, my CE armor jacket, my ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an auto tint shield, my motovlog camera, all the links to my gear is in the description and comment section of this video. Because so far I've looked at many properties that look really good on Zillow, but you go see them in person, man, you're like, it looks like crap. You're like, so I'm just hoping. I already got inspections done on the house, and the inspector said that if I don't buy it, he'll buy it, because he said it's awesome. It better be, man. If it isn't, I think I'm gonna throw in the towel. I got about like a few more days of due diligence where I can get out of the deal, but I already spent like $800 on various inspections. So well inspection, septic tank pumping inspection, termite inspection. I'm on the road here with my road dog, Skittles. Hey, Skittles, say something for everybody. Hey, Skittles! Hey, Skittles! I had to put her in the cage, man. Last time I took her on a trip in the bug out van when I went to North Carolina mountains to see a property, I had her right there in the chair. And man, she got sick. So this time I keep her in the back like at the previous bug out van trips. She's good back there. Anyways, man, I love this van though, this van setup, guys. It's awesome. Got my freezer right here, right next to me, man. Awesome. Where I can pull out some stuff, put water in there, keep it nice and cold. It's awesome, man. Just got done taking a dump in the back. Yeah. I like going to the bathroom on my porta potty back there, man, and just poop in the bag and throw it in the garbage. Call it a day. Got my pee container here. I'm good, man. Got all my food, everything in the refrigerator, in the cabinet. Getting ready to pull over here in a little bit, find a rest stop where I can stay overnight for free, and then eat some dinner, go to bed, and then I get up, and then I got just a couple hours to the property. So I didn't start out as early as I wanted to, man, but oh, I love this. I know a lot of you guys are like, CycleCruza, man. You know, why don't you ride a motorcycle, get you a touring bike or something, instead of being in your bug out van? Why don't you travel across the country on a motorcycle and go tent? Get you one of those little portable tents. You can tent with your motorcycle on the side of the road. You know, that sounds really cool, doesn't it? That sounds really a nice adventure, right? That sounds fun, right? Think about it though, practically. Think about it. You're gonna have to eat out of restaurants. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to go, go to the bathroom in the woods, which I'm cool with. I used to be a Boy Scout. That's what we used to do. Use leaves for toilet paper. Yeah, that's all good, right? But you can't bring much food with you. You don't have no running water to wash up. And it's hot now. So you're gonna be stinking it up, and you gotta probably go take a shower somewhere at the gas stations or something like the truckers do. So it's just not, I do want to do the Trans-American Trail, with a dual sport. But as far as hitting the road and just sleeping on the side of the road and stuff, I don't know, man. But a lot of you guys will probably say, why don't you just stay at a motel and travel across the country? That's cool. But I would rather do that with a group of riders, at least with another rider, Because that way, if your bike fails or something, you can jump on the back of this bike and he can take you to town and maybe you can get your bike fixed up. It just seemed like it would be more fun traveling with other bikers, you know, going across the country. By the way, on this trip, I do want to do some test rides. I want to check out some dealerships that has some bikes available to test ride. I want to spend some time out here on the road, do some excursions, maybe for at least for a week, maybe. That's what I'm hoping for. So I'm just getting acclimated to van life. I'm gonna go find me a spot where I can go stealth camp at, and then go jump in the back there, put the bed down, make a nice meal, watch some TV, go to sleep, and get up early and go look at that property tomorrow. Yeah, I'm really anxious to see it. It better be good. All right, I see a motel parking lot here. Let's see if this parking lot's big enough so I can slip in here incognito, stealth, do some free stealth camping. See, you gotta be careful though, because if the parking lot is too small, you know, sometimes they check license plates, but I don't know that. How does this look? It's kind of small, man. I may be able to slip in here though. If not, you get a knock on the door at 4 in the morning by the police.
Turn, then turn left.
That would suck. Let's see what we got over here. Look, we slip in over here. Left. I need a place for where my dog can go to the bathroom though. There's no grassy area over here. We got a little grassy area back here. Yeah, we can slip in back here.
Make a U-turn, then turn left.
Alright, that's what we're gonna do. I don't wanna stand out. You know, I don't wanna park over to the edge and be an outlier. So if we slip in right here next to these cars, we should be alright. Get a good night's sleep, get up out of here in the morning, and they won't know any better. Yeah, buddy. It's called the free night stay. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a free night stay. Yeah. Right, skidda-didda. Skidda-didda. Yeah. We like free night stays. Alright, just turn the surveillance cameras on here. And looks like somebody's right here. I don't know what they're doing over here, but I don't know. Keep an eye on them. These are 4 cameras all around the van. So hopefully this area is cool to spend overnight. Hopefully I don't have any issues. I'm gonna go ahead and make me something to eat, and I'm going to bed, man. Right, skidda-didda? You good? Yeah, she's good. I'm gonna wash up here at the sink. Get some water. Turn the light. Check it out, we got some free channels here. Get free TV, baby. If you want to get the antenna that I have on this roof, it's really small and it has a magnetic base. Go to my website, CycleCruza.com. Click on My Van Stuff. That's links to all the stuff I use to build this van. Hey there. Got some turkey burgers cooking up. And the turkey burgers are done. Looking good. Alright, this is a butane burner, by the way, which has been awesome. It uses very little fuel, lasts a long time. Let's see. We get these little canisters here. Yeah. Very safe, as long as you handle it the right way. Alright, put some salad dressing on here. Nice, got some ketchup on the turkey burgers. And dinner is served in the bug out van. CycleCruza's bug out diner. It's good. Thumbs up. CycleCruza really did it this time. He threw the kitchen sink in there. Now it's time to eat dessert. I'm gonna tell you guys, This is a healthy cereal. It's good, man, and it has protein and it's gluten-free. You can get a box of this. I'll include a link to it in the description and comment section of this video, but I'm like addicted to this stuff because it's not high in sugar, it's got protein, and it's a healthier cereal, man, for those of you guys that like eating cereal like I do, but you don't want to eat all the sugar, you know, and it's not real high in sodium either. Pretty good. As you can see, I forgot to bring bowls, so I'm improvising and using a pot. It's good stuff. Putting some almond milk in there. Yeah, buddy. Goodness. Yeah. For those of you wondering how I wash up in here, I put a towel here and I do a sponge bath sitting on the bed here. Shave, do a full cleanup. And meanwhile, I keep the monitor on, monitoring the cameras. As you can see, there's the water discharge right there from underneath the van when it drains from the sink. So I always make sure nobody's around when I'm washing up. When I do it at night, usually nobody's around. And sometimes, you know, I can go out in a more private area and then I can shower behind the van. You know, I could take that hose out and shower behind the van. It's worked perfectly for me, guys. Let's see, I always gotta pay attention here. I'm not in the best neighborhood, guys, over here. So I'm really like paying attention what's going on here. See here, what's she doing? And then there's another car right there. What's going on? See, my other camera, the lights are so bright it's affecting my camera. I just bought this camera too. I do have this recorder that records all the cameras. An SD card recorder underneath there. So I flip that switch either from the front seat or the back seat and it records all 4 cameras on the fly. Alright, that's good. I'm going to bed, man. I'm all paranoid up in here. Good night, Skittles. Skittle diddles. Come on, say something. Good night. Skittles. Time to get up. Shut up. See what's going on around the vehicle. That's a new camera and it's out. It sucks. Alright, everything looks good. Man. Scared of dinner? You ready to go? Go check out the new property? Man, I hope this property's good. Generally, what I do is I usually go to a restaurant parking lot first thing and eat breakfast or something, but I'm gonna skip that and just go straight to the property, man, because I'm really excited to see what this property looks like. So it better be good, man. I don't want to have to cancel this deal, another deal. Yeah, but I'm telling you guys, you know, the pictures always look good on Zillow, but I don't know, all the inspectors, everybody that went to the property says it's beautiful, so we'll see. I don't know, man. The only thing is really hot down here, guys, but it's hot everywhere. It was 88 degrees in Ohio, man, so it's backwoods. Just what I was looking for. I don't know, we'll see.
Well, pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Don't forget to subscribe to my All in One Motorcycle channel and make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Deuces. Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.